is Alva. I just absolutely love this layered bob style. It's just beautifully done. And because it's a basic cap, it's very affordable. I love the front fringe or the bangs, which are wispy. They're light. They fall perfectly across the forehead. They're not too heavy or overwhelming. Alva is a basic cap wig. Under this soft mesh fabric is a moderate amount of permatease. Along the front rim, where the bangs are sewn in, you can also see permatease, which are these short, wiry fibers. On either side of the cap are adjustable mesh ear tabs. The sides and the back are open wefted for air circulation and scalp coolness. On either side of the slender velour nape are bra-like adjusters, which allow you to change the circumference of the wig cap up to 1/2 inch. Alva has an average cap size, which fits a head measuring 22 inches in circumference, exactly my head size. And this style fits me perfectly right out of the box with the adjustable straps on the loosest setting. I do not think that this style will work for someone with a larger than average head size. However, it should work for anyone with a petite to petite average to average. The fiber is a regular synthetic. It feels very silky, very soft to the touch. There's no shine, it just looks like healthy European human hair. It has a bit of a dry denier to it, which I really like. I tend to find that Noriko fibers are very high quality and they fall and move naturally. Alva has pre-teasing at the top, and there is a moderate amount of permatease, which gives the style its shape and volume. It's very well done. There is no lace front. This is a basic cap, and here is what the hairline looks like. It's not meant, that you wear it off the face. You should wear it with the bangs down, either straight down or brushed off to the side. There is no parting space because this is a basic cap. While there's no parting space, you certainly can change the part of Alva in any direction that you choose. I have it parted to the left. We can change the part to the center, and then you get an idea of what that looks like. And we can also part it over here to the right. So while there's no monofilament, no lace part, you can still take advantage of changing the part to accomplish other looks. You may notice small wiry fibers at the top of Alva's cap. That is permatease. That's what gives the style volume and shape. It is not a defect. Well, let's take a look at this beautiful style from all sides. The front, left side, the back. I really love how the back of this style looks. It's very nicely sculpted as a bob. Right side. The measurements are 3.9 inches long in the front. The crown is 9.4 inches long and the nape is 3.9 inches long. The weight is 3.8 ounces, which speaks volumes of the density that you get with this beautiful style. Let's talk about the color. This color is peach gold. I really love this color. It's a very flattering blonde shade, especially to those with fair skin. It's a pale golden blonde with touches of peach, and the palest pink ran through it. It's not rooted, and it is just beautiful. Let's take a look at peach gold outside in natural light. Though this is a basic cap wig, you do have styling options. Earlier, I showed you how this wig looks when it's parted in different directions. This style also looks very pretty, tucked behind the ear. I just love this style right out of the box. And because you do have some permatease and the pre-teasing at the top, you can really build the volume up as much as you like. You know, you can just use your fingers or a wide tooth comb. Now you can also back comb this style, but if you back comb, please remember that it does take a toll on the synthetic fiber. It will wear it out quicker. But you can just take some wig styling spray or some spiking gel and really get a lot of great volume. If you're interested in purchasing Alva, I highly recommend the website pinkeepromise.com. They carry this style in all of the beautiful Noriko shades. They have great customer service and free shipping. When you get to the website, on the home page, scroll down to the bottom, sign up for the mailing list. You'll immediately receive a 30% off discount code, good on your first purchase, plus you'll receive email alerts about fantastic sales and wig brand new releases. Now, if you have questions about the style or the color, I'm more than happy to answer. Please leave those in the comments section below the video. Now, if you wear Alva, we would love to hear your experience with this wig. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing is free, and you'll receive an alert every time I upload a wig review, color comparison video, wig giveaway, and much, much more. Well, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.